brain dead, eye drops, pain meds, Cyclops, day bed, iPod.
Right, welcome to the vlog, guys. Good morning. Happy Aloha Saturday. Today is the day before the big 2. The day before the big 200. So, feelings. Let's talk feelings. Excited, happy, prepared, feeling anxious, but in a good way. So, on the roster we got Chris Alt, we got Shane Bush, we got Monty Tong, who's meeting us in town when we'll be like 20 miles in. We got Tony Antonio. Yeah, so we got some hard hitters tomorrow. Of that group that I spoke of, Tony Antonio is the wild card. He did the 201 miles with me last year. So that guy, he's either on or off, meaning he's either prepared or he'll have some type of body failure throughout the 200 miles. Fingers crossed that I don't have any body failure tomorrow. Hopefully all my electrolytes and everything are on par. I'm gonna take another iron pill and my B12 complex. Today, well, the past 3 days I haven't been cutting any calories at all. I've just been eating whenever I'm hungry. I probably ate more in the past 3 days than any previous week since I started the intermittent fasting. I did change my intermittent fasting schedule to end at 10 a.m. instead of 12 noon because my work schedule and things like that, and I just found that 12 noon was a bit too long to be fasted from the nighttime, from bedtime. But anyways, that's a whole nother subject. So the 200-mile ride is gonna start from Kalapawai Cafe in Kapolei, which is usually the finish line for the Sunday morning coffee jam every Sunday. And then we're gonna ride towards Honolulu and Diamond Head, which is the start of the Honolulu Century Ride. And we're gonna ride through the Century Ride course. Some of us are registered, some of us are not. I'm gonna be self-supported through 7-Eleven and whatever I bring in my pockets. I already got 2 coconut chocolate chip Cliff Bars. I got that package, that 10-pack of the SOS hydration packs. I got one tube of the Nun electrolyte tablets, and I have about 6 or 7 vanilla bean goo gels, which contain a little bit of caffeine. I found that in a long endurance event, the caffeine really helps me stay focused and just helps me give that maybe 10% more for the effort. And along the way I will be eating rice and soy sauce packets at 7-Elevens, as well as probably some baked goods, maybe some breads here and there, and maybe some inari sushi, just for some real food. And then of course maybe an occasional Red Bull, maybe not, just for that extra boost. And the weather looks like it's gonna be good. I looked up the forecast. It says 20% chance of precipitation, but no actual prediction of rainfall. So that's good comparing to today. Today has 40% chance and actual rainfall with scattered showers. So with that being said, wish us good luck in the comments down below. Stay tuned, stay posted. I will do little snippets here and there of the ride. I might even bring my GoPro to get some footage, but that might be iffy because the pockets will be filled, pretty much filled to the brim. So with that being said, thank you guys. Have a good Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, have fun with it. I'm going to work for 13 hours and just gonna chill out, maybe do some lunges, some squats, maybe some deadlifts, just to get some tension on the legs and just enjoy the day. Yep, tomorrow's the big 200-mile ride. Bye for now. Bye-bye.